Best wishes to all. In this video, we are going to discuss the differences between cost accounting and financial accounting. Cost accounting is very closely related to financial accounts. In our earlier video also we discussed cost accounting is an extension of financial accounting, and cost accounting is to be considered as branch of financial accounts. Financial accounts and cost accounts are both similar in certain aspects. Say for example, both the accounts follow the fundamental principle of double entry. They both reveal results of business. They both guide the determination of future business policy, but in some other aspects they differ from each other. The points of dissimilarities between the two are: first one, objective. The main objective of cost accounting is to provide cost information to management. We know already the primary objective of cost accounting is cost ascertainment and cost analysis. Cost accounting aims to find out the total cost as well as the cost of each department, each process and each component such as material, labor and expenses. In other words, by preparing cost accounts, the management can get the instant information about the total cost of the organization, cost of material used in the production, process, cost of labor, engaged, etc. The main objective of financial accounting is to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. From the financial statement, we can get the information relating to net profit and loss and the total value of assets and liabilities only. The second distinct point is who are all the users of these accounts, or what is the purpose of maintaining these different accounts. Cost accounting aims at internal reporting. It reports to the internal management. These cost informations are pertaining to the business entity and it can cater the requirements of internal organization. Based on these information, the management can take business decision. On the other hand, financial accounting aims at external reporting. The users of financial accounting are outsiders. These results of financial accounting may be required by number of external people called owners, creditors, government and investors. Financial accounting express the exact financial position of the entity and these informations are required by these people to take important financial decisions. So, the purpose of preparing the cost accounting is to report the internal people. On the other hand, financial accounting preparation aims to cater the needs of external people. The next difference is obligation to maintain accounts. Cost accounting is maintained voluntarily by the organization to find their expenditure avenues and take decisions regarding to control the cost. In some exceptional cases, the government may direct to maintain cost accounts to improve the efficiency of the organization. But when we speak about financial accounting, financial accounts are to be maintained compulsorily. Financial accounting maintenance are compulsory in order to record the business transaction to know the efficiency in terms of profit or loss. So, preparation of cost accounting, the obligation of cost accounting is voluntary. On the other hand, financial accounting maintenance is compulsory by the organization. The next different point is legal requirements. Cost accounting informations are maintained to fulfill the internal requirements that already we discussed. It is based on the conventional guidelines posed by the management. Cost accounting informations are not compulsorily required by any legal authorities. It is not legally bounded. If any business entity wants to maintain such type of accounts, it can have their own cost accounting department and can prepare these type of accounts. But generally setting up of cost accounting department separately for all the concerns is not possible. Usually a big concerns which engages large production and sales, they used to maintain such accounts to ascertain the cost and formulate cost control techniques. But the financial accounting requirements are legally bounded. They are required by Companies Act and Income Tax Act. So, the next different point is called method of preparation. In cost accounting, it records the transactions in an objective manner. That is, according to the purpose for which costs are incurred. On the other hand, financial accounting records the transactions in a subjective manner. That is, according to the nature of expenditure. The next point is called system of accounting. In cost accounting, it records both historical and estimated cost. It is based on the expenditure incurred as well as the expenses to be made out in future. That's why we can say strongly cost account can able or it can influence to control the cost in future. The cost accounting techniques such as standard costing, budgetary costing, marginal costings are the best examples of cost control. On the other hand, financial accounting records only the past cost. The financial transactions already happened can only enter and it has no influence for future financial operations. Next difference point is coverage of transactions. Cost accounting records only those costs which affect production and sales. It covers various cost components which we already discussed which affects production and sales, such as cost of material, cost of labor, direct cost, indirect cost, cost of different process, etc. But financial account records all the transactions which takes place in the business. The financial transactions which has money value can only recorded in financial accounting. The next distinct point is called analysis of profit and cost. Both cost accounting and financial accounting can reveal profit and loss account, but cost accounting can reveal profit and loss for different product, different department and different process separately, but financial account can reveal the profit or loss for the entire concern as a whole. So from cost accounting we can get the profit or loss separately. On the other hand, financial accounting informations we can get the profit and loss statement or status for the whole entire concern. Next point, accounting period. Cost accounting report preparation are of continuous process and prepared as per the requirements of the management. It may be prepared maybe daily, weekly or monthly, quarterly or annually. But financial reports are prepared annually. The next distinct point is emphasis. Emphasis in the sense importance. Cost accounting aims, focus or gives more importance on ascertainment of cost and cost control. We know already these two are the primary objective of cost accounting. But on the other hand, financial accounting provides importance only for recording the transaction, because if we start to record the transactions, then only based on that we can start the accounting cycle. So the importance goes to ascertainment of cost and cost control in cost accounting. On the other hand, the emphasis is going to recording of transactions in financial accounting. The next important point is called evaluation of efficiency. In cost accounting, the cost data helps in evaluating the efficiency of the business, whether the set cost is in control or not. From that information, we can easily able to know whether we are working efficiently or not. But on the other hand, financial accounting informations are not sufficient to evaluate the efficiency of the business, because we know financial accounting is based on the historical data. We have no influence to control the future. If you want to improve your efficiency, you cannot. One thing you can do, you can make the comparison between your past performance as well as future performance, so that you can make any future decisions. That only you can do, otherwise you cannot control over your performance at current in financial accounting. The next different point is called valuation of stock. In your cost accounting, the stock is always valued at cost price. On the other hand, in financial accounting, the stocks is valued either at cost or market price, whichever is lower. The next point is pricing policy. In cost accounting, it provides adequate data for formulating pricing policies, because cost accounting department will supply you a plenty of information about cost of production as well as cost of sales. If you derive the value of cost of sales, automatically you can add your required profit margin, then you can easily set the price of your product. So formulation of pricing policies are very easy in cost accounting. On the other hand, in financial accounting, we cannot formulate the pricing policies, because these informations are only helpful to know the profit or loss status and the value of assets or liabilities we have. So it fails to guide the formulation of pricing policies. I hope you gained a deep knowledge about the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. Thank you.